Today we're doing a bumper replacement on a 2015 Lexus NX200T. Today we're doing a bumper replacement on a 2015 Lexus NX200T. Today we'll be showing you the removal and install procedure for this bumper. There are a couple clips holding this fender flare on. There's one right here, and one right here, so 3 in total. There are also 2 clips on the inside of the splash shield, one at the top and one more towards the inside of the wheel, and then 1 Allen bolt, which is a size 4. So in order to start, you can take off the fender flare via these 3 clips, one right here, and one right here. You also have an Allen screw or bolt that is a size 4 that you can remove. In order to remove these clips, you can use one of these tools and you just wedge it in between and pull out. This is held on by a couple clips and it just pops right off. This lower part can stay with the bumper if you don't want to remove it, or you can if you want to. You'll have to transfer it over to the new bumper. There's 1 clip holding the corner of the bumper right here. Once you remove that, you should be able to remove the bumper cover. There is 1 bolt underneath holding it to the splash shield right here, and it is a 10mm bolt. There are a couple clips, 3 to be exact. On the bottom side of the bumper, on each corner, there's a 10mm bolt. And then on this plastic piece down here in the middle, there are 8 of these clips, the push pin clips, holding this plastic piece on.
I got it.
Once these clips are removed, you can remove this plastic piece. And you can remove the corner bolts. There's 1 on each side. And this allows you to separate the bumper from this inner splash shield. Once you get the bottom bolts and clips out, you repeat the fender flare removal on this side as well. And it's the same 3 clips with 1 Allen bolt, and then the 10mm bolt at the bottom, and then you pop out all these clips to separate the fender flare. Now we will remove the 4 clips that are inside the inner part of the bumper. There will be bolts here, 10mm bolt here, another one down here, one more here, and then the last one right here.
How do you take it off though, just to show?
So to take these off, you use a pry tool, and there's actually a little notch. You could use either a pry tool or a flathead screwdriver that pops off this cover. Once you remove the fender flare on that side, fender flare on this side, and the bolts holding the bumper on the inside, you're now able to pop the clips, pop the bumper off.